Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be working with the radicals, adding and subtracting radical expressions on a slightly advanced level. So we have here cube root of 54 plus cube root of 40 plus cube root of 16. All right, so now the first thing we need to do is find factors of each of these numbers. Let's take 54. Factors of 54 are 2, 2, 7, 3, 9, 3, 3. So that's 3 cubed into 2. So 54 is actually equal to 3 and cube root of 2. Plus, let's take factors of 40. We get 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5. So that's 2 cubed into 5. So that's 2 cube root of 5 plus 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2 and 2, which is 2 to the power of 4. Since we are working with cube root, it will be equal to 2 and cube root of 2. 1, 2 will remain under the radical. All right. So now we can see here cube root of 2 and cube root of 2 is common here. So we can treat this as a variable x and treat this as variable y. So we have here 3x plus 2y plus 2x. Now it's easy to solve this. We get 5x plus 2y as a solution, and x was actually equal to 5. Cube root 2 plus 2 cube root 5. That will be your solution. Let's work with the next one. We have square root of 27 over 5 minus square root of 3 over 5. So let's just split this up first. Okay, we have 27 over 5 can be written as square root of 27 over square root of 5 minus square root of 3 over square root of 5. If you're not familiar with radical rules, you can watch my previous video where I went through all the rules for you to follow very easily. So this will be equal to, since we have the same base, we can subtract square root of 27 minus square root of 3 over square root of 5. Now here, do not make the mistake of subtracting 27 and 3. Does not work that way. We need to have the same base. It will not work that way. 27 works out to 3 squared into 3. So that's actually equal to 27 is equal to 3 root 3. So let's write that here. 3 root 3 minus root 3 over root 5. So we can see these two roots are similar. We can now subtract 3 minus 1 is 2, which is 2 root 3 over root 5. And it is always good to rationalize by trying to remove a radical sign from the denominator. Rationalize this by multiplying by root 5 over root 5, which is actually equal to 1. This works out to 5 down here and 2 root 3 into root 5 over 5, which works out to 2 root 15 over 5, and that's your solution. Let's do one more, little advanced, but do not get scared to work these kind of problems. Let's start with this one. We have 8x cubed, the square root of that minus x, and the square root of 18x. Let's factor this first and see how we can work it out under the square root. We have 8, which is actually 2, 4, 2, 2, which is actually 2 cubed, and we have x cubed. Now, if you want to take the square root of this, you need the two powers of each. So what comes out of the root will be 2x, and what remains under the square root will be 1, a 2, and a x. So this is actually equal to 8x cubed is equal to 2x and the square root of 2x minus, now let's see what we can work out here, 18. 18, let's find the factors. 2, 9, 3, 3. We have 3 squared into 2. The 3 can come out of the radical. So we have 3 coming out of the radical multiplied by the x becomes 3x. And what we are left in the radical is 2 times x. And since these two are the same, we can take 2x minus 3x. 2x minus 3x would be negative x. We are left with negative x, and the radical remains the same, which is root 2x, and that's your solution. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.